Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear audience. Welcome back to H Learning Academy. Today topic is English Assignment 1 of Class 8. Question is Assignment on. Think about a delicious and nutritious food like khichdi or pudding or firni. Ask some questions to your mother about its recipe. Try to prepare it with the help of other family members. Now, describe how to cook it following the recipe of custard given in your textbook. Also, write down 2 reasons why it is good or healthy food. How to cook pudding. Pudding is a portion of very delicious food. People of all ages love eating pudding. Anyone can cook pudding very easily. I am in this paper going to describe how to cook pudding very easily with the things you already have. First, one needs the following ingredients to cook the pudding. Ingredients: 1. Condensed milk, 1 liter, 2. Sugar, 1 cup, 3. Chicken eggs, 4 cardamom powder, 2 and 5. Cream, 2 tablespoons. After collecting all the ingredients, you need to start with boiling milk. Put 1 liter or 2 cups of milk in a pot and start boiling it. Boil it until it becomes condensed enough for the pudding. Then, mix sugar with eggs and blend milk, eggs, sugar, cardamom powder and cream well until it becomes mixed properly. Next, put a pot in the oven and caramel it with a little ghee, oil, butter and sugar. Now pour the egg mixture in the caramelized pot with sugar. Cover the mouth of the pot with a lid and boil it or keep it in a pressure cooker with water for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, let the pudding be cool. Lastly, cut around the mold with a knife. The plate should be inverted by pressing on the face of the mold. Leave in the fridge to cool and serve with delicious cream pudding. This is the easy way to cook pudding at home. Pudding is healthy food. Milk makes pudding high in calcium, an important nutrient for strong bones and teeth. Calcium influences muscle contractions, hormone secretions and the transmission of nerve impulses. Pudding is not just tasty. Rather, it is a healthy way to get our body's calcium. Vitamins and minerals are essential components of pudding. Vitamin D and magnesium are terrific nutrients our body needs. They work with calcium to strengthen our bone structure and harden our tooth enamel. We can get the vitamin A, C, B6, B12, D, E, riboflavin, magnesium, protein, carbohydrate, etc. in pudding. Thank you for watching the full video, and don't forget to share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe H Learning Academy.